All right, guys, we're going to put a little fluid film on a vehicle. It's mandatory if you're trying to keep your investment on the road. That brine will really rip your vehicle up. Brake lines, gas lines, frame, body mounts, etc. So this is just for the large areas, and then you go backwards with different applicators to get inside the frame like that. So you really want to get it done, especially if you're going to keep your vehicle for a long time. This would be good if you took a little prep time to do that, but we don't have that time today. We really want to get the vehicle done so it's not exposed to any more brine. You got to get this applicator. It's very necessary to have to put inside these holes here. You see it's spraying outward? Anything you could fit this in. You want to keep your car on the road and not have it rot away? Spend a couple dollars and do this. For example, you can see behind here, I missed that. So if you got a guy that you trust, he's going to come back and get that. Anywhere where you could get this. So you guys get the idea. We're just going to do the whole vehicle like that, okay?